Well, the new state attorney just laid out his plan for the office. One of his top priorities is reviewing cases that were previously dropped and also looking at cases that were going to trial too quickly. Good evening and welcome. I'm John Brown.
And I'm Luann Sorrell. This plan comes just one day after Andrew Bain replaced Monique Worrell. The governor suspended her yesterday. Fox 35's Matt Trezza is joining us live from the Orange County Courthouse tonight. And Matt, Bain has a 100-day plan.
Yeah, and he just sent this out in about the last hour or so. We've been really digesting it before letting you know what the list is. And this 100-day priority list is in addition to an earlier memo that he sent out this morning outlining changes he'd like to make to the way they prosecute and handle cases. Andrew Bain says his priorities for his first 100 days include rebuilding public trust, ensuring accountability and rehabilitation, strengthening law enforcement partnerships, restoring law and order, reviewing drop cases and speedy trials, prosecutor recruitment and retention, and revitalizing service agencies and local nonprofits. Lawyers we spoke with say they're lofty goals, but the devil may be in the details.
Certainly the goals of what's stated about addressing issues of homelessness and poverty, drug abuse, mental health issues, that sounds great to me. I'm just curious what that's going to mean versus what it was before in a way that appeared to be working.
Earlier today, Bain sent a memo to staff stating, "I am rescinding the catch and release policy that has been in place for far too long. We must return to the principle of prosecutorial discretion, one that relies on a thorough analysis of each case's facts and the laws of Florida. And also that, until I evaluate their effectiveness, I am immediately suspending all state attorney-created diversion programs." While there's been no so-called catch and release for offenders under Monique Worrell, the office had been working under a bail policy. Under its principles, misdemeanor drug crimes, traffic offenses, and nuisance charges were generally released on their own recognizance after being brought. Suspects were also typically granted non-bail, pretrial release if they were charged with a nonviolent crime, and first-time offenders were eligible for diversion programs that kept them from getting saddled with criminal charges and also taking up the court's valuable resources.
With the growth of Central Florida, if every case was to be taken to trial, it would collapse the system.
And there's going to be a rally just down the street from here at City Hall at 7 o'clock tonight.